Hello, I am Pei Yee. I have coded for over 3 years in coding lab. I am excited to present one of my projects for this competition. The name is Math Quiz. This project originated from a hackathon challenge I participated in last year. The goal behind creating the Math Quiz was to provide a platform for people to assess and enhance their mathematical knowledge. I hope you find it engaging and valuable. So this is the code. Most of the type of code that I used was like define, while, else, and if else. I will now run the code. So you can see that there's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and integer division. So let's try the addition one. You can also choose your difficulty level, whether you want it super easy to super hard. And if you get one question wrong, you will just skip the answer and it will go on to the next question, which one that you choose. And if you want to exit this quiz, it will show you your analysis on whatever you have done. So I have answered 3 questions, 2 correct and 1 wrong. And it will show you your score percentage at the end. I hope you like this project. Bye.